welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide on how to fix Instagram story collage not showing problem. If your collage um are not showing on Instagram, so this video I'm going to guide on how you can actually fix that problem. So first, if you're first off coming across the channel, please just subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. First, you need to go to your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to search for Instagram. Okay, on your Instagram here, if your Instagram is not up to date, you can go ahead and update your Instagram. Okay, as you can see, I'm using Instagram Lite, so this one is Instagram, so I need to type in Instagram Lite. So if your Instagram is not up to date, because here this is not up to date, you need to click on the update button and update your Instagram. Next step you need to take, you need to go to your mobile data and make sure your mobile data is up to date as well. You have mobile data, your mobile data is active. If it's not working, you need to switch to Wi-Fi. Then go to your tap and hold on the app and go to the app storage and clear the app cache. So once you have cleared the cache, you need to go ahead and restart your device. You need to tap and hold on the power button, and here you are going to restart your device. So after doing that, I'm sure it's going to fix the problem. So that is it on how you can actually fix Instagram storage collage not showing. If you found this helpful, because you come to the end of the video, please subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comment section if you find anything difficult on this channel. I want to say to give you guys feedback. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.